In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Lidl Careers account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the official Lidl Careers website for your country. Once you're in the website, click on this profile icon given at the top right. You will be redirected to the sign in page. Now here you're going to find the option of create an account. Click on that. Now from here you are able to create your account. Type in the email address. Retype in your email address that you want to link with your Lidl's account. Then select the password. Make sure your password fulfill all these requirements. Retype in your password. Then type in the first name, last name. Then select the country or region of residence. Once you fill in all these details, click on the option create account. Now you might be prompted to verify your email address. You will be receiving verification link to activate your account. Complete that process, and once you do that, your account will be created. So this way you can easily create a Lidl Careers account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.